Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Gather a flathead screwdriver, gloves, a shop towel, and the replacement cabin air filter specified for a 2018 Toyota Tundra. Park on a flat surface, set the parking brake, and turn the ignition off to prevent accidental electrical loads. Empty the glove box and lay a towel below to catch dirt and leaves. Wear gloves to keep hands clean and avoid transferring oils to the filter. Keep parts organized in a small tray so screws and clips do not roll away during the procedure. Depress the glove box side tabs inward to release the stops, then gently disconnect the dampener arm on the right side and lower the glove box assembly fully. Locate the rectangular cabin air filter access cover behind the glove box, press the small release tabs, and swing the cover open. Slide the old filter straight out, watching for accumulated debris and orientation markings. Inspect the intake plenum for leaves or pine needles. Use a narrow nozzle vacuum attachment to remove debris, so the new filter sits against a clean surface. Insert the new cabin air filter with the printed airflow arrow pointing toward the HVAC unit and away from the glove box, then slide it fully into the housing until it seats evenly. Close and snap the access cover back into place, ensuring both tabs click. Reconnect the glove box dampener arm, lift the glove box up, and guide the side tabs into their stops so the glove box closes normally. Wipe the surrounding area with a shop towel, dispose of the old filter responsibly, and test the HVAC fan to confirm unrestricted airflow and quiet operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.